In this lesson, we will be studying about the fundamentals of algebra. We will look at what variables are and what are expressions, and we will see how to translate word phrases into mathematical expressions. So, welcome to the lesson. Let's understand what is a quantity. A mathematical quantity is anything that you can count or anything that you can measure. So, anything that can be counted or measured is called a mathematical quantity. And a mathematical quantity can be a constant or it can be a variable. A constant quantity is one whose value does not change. For example, the distance between two cities is a constant quantity. A variable quantity is one whose value changes over a period of time. A variable is represented by mathematical symbols or letters like, for example, x, y, z, a, b, c. It could be anything. So, variables are represented by letters. What is an algebraic expression? An algebraic expression has one or more variables in it. For example, an algebraic expression could be x plus y is an algebraic expression, or 2 times x is an algebraic expression, or 5x plus y. This is an algebraic expression because it has variables in it. What is a numerical expression? A numerical expression has numbers and operational symbols. For example, 5 plus 8. This is a numerical expression. 9 minus 6. This is a numerical expression. So, we know what a quantity is, we know what a variable is, we know what is an algebraic expression, and we know what is a numerical expression. Let us see how to solve some of the word phrases into algebraic expressions. Let's look at this problem. What is an algebraic expression for the word phrase? 32 more than a number n. More than means which operation symbol? It is plus. So, 32 more than a number n. A number n is a variable now. So, we can write this word phrase into an algebraic expression as 32 plus, because more than is plus, and a number n. So, this would be the algebraic expression for this word phrase. Let us look at B. 58 less a number n. So, again, less means subtraction. So, 58 less a number n means 58 minus n. So, this would be the algebraic expression for this word phrase. Can you give a try now? You can hit the pause button and work out the problem on your own, and then play it to see whether you are right or wrong. And I believe you will be right, because yes, you can do it. What is an algebraic expression for 18 more than a number n? More than, operation symbol is plus. A number n, n is a variable. 18 more than a number can be written as 18 plus n. So, great going. Excellent work. Keep trying. Let us try this. What is an algebraic expression for the word phrase? 8 times a number n. What is the mathematical operation symbol for times? It's multiplication. Good. So, 8 times a number n is 8 times n. It can also be written as 8n. Let's look at B. The quotient of a number n and 5. What is the mathematical symbol for operation symbol for quotient? Is division. So, the quotient of a number n and 5 is n divided by 5 or n over 5. So, let's try it out. Let's try a few more problems now. Yes, you can. Give a try. Go ahead, hit the pause button, solve these problems, and then you can play it to check your work. What is an algebraic expression for 6 times a number n? So 6 times multiplication. So 6n. Good. Next, the quotient of 18 and a number n. Quotient, mathematical operation symbol, division. So 18 divided by n, or it can also be written as 18 over n. Let's work out a little more complicated ones now. What is an algebraic expression for the word phrase 3 more than twice a number x? We know that more than means plus, twice means 2 times, and times is multiplication. A number x, x is a variable. So now we can write this 3 more than twice a number x. It will be 3 plus 2 times x. Let's look at B. 9 less than the quotient of 6 and a number x. Less than means minus, quotient is division. So 9 is less than the quotient of 6 and a number x. How will you write down the quotient of 6 and a number x? It's going to be 6 divided by x. And 9 is less than this, so minus 9. Great. Let's move on to C. The product of 4 and the sum of a number x and 7. What do you mean by product? Which multiplication operation? It's which mathematical operation? It's multiplication. It's times. The product of 4 and the sum. Sum means addition. The sum of a number x and 7. So let us first write down the sum of a number x and 7. That's going to be x plus 7. And the product of 4, meaning the whole thing, is multiplied by 4. This is how you tackle such type of word phrase problems and change it into algebraic expressions. Yes, you can give a try now, and you will be able to do it because you are a smart person. So let's try this. You can hit the pause button, try it on your own, and then play to see whether you got it right. What is an algebraic expression for 8 less than the product of a number x and 4? The product of a number x and 4. Product means multiplication. So we can write 4x, and 8 is less than that. So minus 8. And I'm sure you would have got this. Let's move on to B. Twice the sum of a number x and 8. Twice the sum of a number x and 8. Sum means addition. So twice the sum of a number x and 8. Let's move on to C. The quotient of 5 and the sum of 12 and a number x. The quotient of 5 and the sum of 12 and a number x. So 5 over 12 and a number x. Great. So this completes the lesson on the fundamental of algebra on variables and expressions. I really appreciate the effort that you have put in, and keep working. We have a lot more to cover. So great. See you in the upcoming lessons.